Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can report someone on CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut application, and first of all we need to choose an account we want to report on CapCut. For example, I'm going to report trending creators account. So I'm gonna go to my account and then I'm going to report this account, for example. But this is just for an example guys, so I'm not gonna report this account. I just want to show you how we can report account or report someone in CapCut. And then after we have opened the account of someone we want to report, we can click on these three dots and then just simply click on report, and the account will be automatically reported to CapCut. Alright guys, and that's all the way to report someone on CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.